So the first thing you're going to need is some Ziploc bags. You can also use like plastic wrap or anything like that just to give yourself a non-stick surface. Then you're going to want to have some pictures either from a magazine or just things you found online. And most importantly, you're going to want to have some fabric or puffy paint. They're not expensive. You can get them for like $1 a piece. And then you're going to also want some paintbrushes just in case you need to smooth out the color.